There you go. After you. You said you gotta make sure you got an animal or something?
Yeah. Go ahead.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that for?
Oh no, to block the door and it swings open.
Ah, gotcha. You want to just back on the door for me?
Rocky? She's laying on bed.
Hey, Dorothy!
20, please.
Where's your bed at?
Yeah.
After you. You got any lights here?
Yeah.
You got the lights on?
I'll get you a big bill.
Oh. Hey, you just go there for me?
Yeah, come on.
What do you mean?
She's right here.
Oh! She's right here?
Yeah.
Dorothy? Is she sleeping?
Yes.
Okay. How long has she been sleeping for?
Like since 6.
What's the bag for?
She wets the bed.
She wets the bed? You gotta cover it like that.
Because your rain will open the window and stuff.
Okay, you pull the cover back for me?
Dorothy?
Why is she covered up like that, her face?
She's sleeping.
Alright, just step back for me. Is Dorothy? Miss Dorothy?
Dorothy?
Why don't she got flowers and stuff around her like that? Okay, step back.
Okay.
Step back.
Okay, she's dead.
What do you mean she's dead?
She's dead. I was going to call her relatives in the morning.
Okay. Put your hands up.
The phone's in my room.
Put your hands up.
Alright.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. 5446. Y'all give me the squad to my location. I'm the supervisor. Put your hands behind your back. You don't got any weapons or anything, right? Sir, don't even look at me. Hands behind your back. You're looking at me. Don't do that. Why you look? No, you're not gonna get shot, but you looking at me like that is kind of making me nervous.
Okay, I'll put you.
234 north.
Stop looking at me.
Lower.
Don't do that. I'm telling you. Stop looking at me. You're gonna get tased. You hear me?
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Okay.
Don't do that. Alright? I got a taser right now.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Please,
Alright.
you shoot me in the face.
No.
Please shoot me in the face.
No.
Her relatives. Call her relatives. Call her relatives, please. Tap you.
Don't.
Please.
Make that little squad 1017, please.
Please shoot me in the face.
4537, Super Short to respond to 2348 North Booth in the lower, 1017, 5372.
You shoot me in the face.
No.
Forward.
Don't move. Just don't move. Put your hands up.
60,
Because you're doing too much moving and you're making me
I'm
nervous.
60, Seagull for left.
Shoot me in the face.
No. Just don't move.
Speak up. 7. Reporting show strong. 34, Seagull for left.
On the ground.
Still 63 for left. 7.
On the ground. On the ground. On your stomach.
You shoot me.
No. On your stomach.
Please shoot me.
Sir, on your
You
stomach.
gotta shoot me.
Okay. You're doing too much.
Okay, don't take it.
No, you're gonna get to this.
Okay, I'm down.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Hands behind your back. Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
What was the address again?
Your other hand behind your back.
348
Sir,
North Booth in the lower.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. Your other hand. Yep, put it behind your back. Don't move. This is gonna do. Stop! Stop resisting! Stop! 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 Stop!
Shoot me. You gotta shoot me.
Give me another squad here now!
You gotta shoot me.
Sir!
Right in the head.
Stop!
Right in the head.
You will be shot!
Right
Stop!
In the head. Right in the head, please. Right in the head.
Stop!
Okay.
Drop the pole!
Right in the head.
Drop the pole!
Right in the head, please.
Drop the pole!
Right in the head. Right in the head. Do it.
Drop the pole!
Right in the head.
Drop!
Do it in the head. Come on, right in
Sir.
the head. Please, right in the head. Right
Drop
in the head.
the pole,
Right in the head.
please.
Right in the head. Come on.
Now I'm gonna have to shoot
Right in
you.
the head. Right in the head. Come on. Do it, please. Come on. You don't know what I see. Do it.
Sir,
Do it.
drop the
Do
pole.
it. You don't know what I see. Do it.
Sir,
Right in the fucking face, man.
the pole.
Right in the face. Come on. Come on.
drop the
Come
pole.
on. Right in the face, man. Please.
Drop
Right in the face.
on the ground now.
Right in the face. Come on.
On the ground.
Make it quick.
On the ground.
Please make it quick. Okay. Don't tag me.
Drop it. Drop it. Now.
Right in the face.
Drop it.
Right in the face.
Drop it.
Right in the face.
Drop it.
Right in the face. Come on.
Drop it.
You gotta do it, man. Right in the
Drop
Right in the face.
the weight now.
Right in the face.
Drop the weight.
Right in the face.
Drop the weight.
Right in the face.
Drop the weight. Subject is that girlfriend.
Right in
You
the
need
face.
squad.
Right in the face. Come on. Don't take me, man.
Drop
Don't take me, man.
the weight. Drop the weight. He said.
Kill me.
Kill me. Kill me.
Yes, not allowed.
This one. Do it. Shut Give me your hand! Check that room. I got it. Someone get medical now. Call for medical.